Hi everyone, welcome to Johnny Road Cooks. Today we're gonna make Korean style gochu pork ribs. You're gonna have sweet, savory, and spicy flavors of the gochujang, and also big bold flavors of garlic and ginger, all incorporated and fused into this mash of just pure deliciousness. This rib recipe stems from my mother's recipe, but I've put a spin to it and made it my own. But the roots of this dish come from my mother's recipe and what we had growing up. So we're gonna show you how to make Korean style gochu ribs. Here we got 1.8 kilograms of ribs. I got 2 racks there and whatever this piece is. First thing we're gonna do is boil some water. Then we're gonna grab a couple thumb-sized pieces of ginger. That's a big thumb, but that's fine. And just gonna slice it. Just gonna add these directly into the water. This is to help flavor the pork while it's boiling in that water. And I have my ribs here. I'm just gonna carefully add these to my pot of water. Oh yeah, I think I might have to take some water out, otherwise that's gonna boil over. Well, yeah, of course. All right, so I'm gonna bring that up to a boil. Once this starts to boil, I'm gonna drop the heat and let it simmer for about 45 minutes, just so that the meat gets all tenderized and so that some of that ginger flavor can penetrate the meat a little bit and make it more delicious. Let's cover that. As the ribs are boiling in the background here behind me, we're gonna make the sauce. Let's get started on that. Make sure you buy some of this when you're getting into Korean cooking because you'll see this ingredient come up a lot. And this is pretty much the biggest building block or the foundation of our sauce today. I'm gonna get 1 cup of that gochujang. This stuff is super goopy, very pasty. It's gonna be tough to get it out. Here we have a 1/2 cup of minced garlic. Some minced ginger here. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of soy sauce. So here's our sauce. I just been cooking it a little bit, maybe for like 3-4 minutes, just on a low heat. You know, this stuff here is not as spicy as some would imagine it to be. I think it's quite mild. And the color and just the fact that it's like dramatically like bubbling like that, like it's actually like lava in a volcano. It might scare some people off, but don't be a wuss. Try new things. We're gonna preheat the oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna now transfer the ribs from our water to a bowl here so that we can start saucing them up. So here's that sauce that we made. I'm just gonna pour some in here. We'll leave half of the sauce for later. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, that's terrible. So I'm just gonna throw this in the oven now. 25 minutes, we'll be back to eat some ribs. I'm just gonna sprinkle some green onions here, or scallions, or whatever you want to call them. Just making a mess on my counter too. Oh, oops, 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 oops. Just makes my pictures look better. Really. Black goes well with red, so I'm just gonna add some black sesame seeds here. There we have it, folks. Beautiful. Let's eat. Oh, look at that. Bone just falls off. Let's grab a piece of that. Oh, yeah. Ah. Mmm. Perfect for summer days, picnics, just whenever you want to have ribs. Can't go wrong with ribs. Ribs are good all the time. It's got a little kick to it, sweet, a little bit, not too much, Savory, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, a lot of bit of red pepper paste. Man, easy. Damn, that's good. I think this company, what is it, CJ? Whatever this Korean company is that makes this stuff, they should totally sponsor me. So if any of you guys from that company are watching this and you want an awesome sponsor, or you want to sponsor an awesome guy that uses your product, hey, send me a DM. Pipe dream, hey.